Desi, Desi.
Hi, Kishi.
So I'm here because we're at an end of a chapter. 2019 is ending.
A whole decade.
A whole decade. We're gonna go into 2020. So, but before we do, I have a favor to ask.
Okay.
I need you to think long and hard about this entire year and everything that happened, and I want you to sum it up and tell me what it meant to you, how you feel about 2019. So just go ahead and close your eyes and just tell me how you feel when you get the answer.
Okay.
Okay.
Love you. All for you.
Did you do that for me? I'm trying not to cry. Watch this, guys. Apple. Ooh! Oh my god, this is like epic.
Good as hell.
We are on set of another Key X Desi shoot today.
Please welcome to the stage, Desi Perkins. Thank you guys. Yeah, I'm Desi Perkins. I'm so happy to be here to celebrate all these amazing people and on the Women's Day nonetheless. Shout out to all my powerful women out here.
Proud of that little girl right there. My little chicken.
Merry Christmas, guys. Old school camera here. Christmas. Oh my god. just thinking back at everything that I've done this year, such a blessing, honestly. This year has been a huge year of growth for me. I feel like I've gone through so much as a woman this year, and I've appreciated being a woman more than ever this year because of everything that I see that we have to go through. And one of the huge things about this year has been, you know, the fertility journey, which has made me so much stronger, and that has been a big part of my year, if I remember 2019 as anything. But there's also been so much good stuff that has happened this year that I'm so fortunate to have traveled to all these amazing places with my friends, my family. I've really focused so much on my family this year. I just want to spend all the time that I can with them. I couldn't believe that I did a deal with Apple. Like, they are one of the biggest companies in the world, and it was really, really awesome to experience that and to be recognized as someone in beauty that they wanted to work with. That was really sick. God, so much. My Beauty and the Beast birthday party, epic. Like, that was one of the sickest birthdays I've ever had, and all the thought that Stephen put into that was insane. And then just having all the holidays here at the house, like, you guys already know how much I value family, and having everyone in one place together celebrating and just eating lots of food. And that's everything I've ever wanted, and this year I really got to experience that with so much of my family. So, wow. God, I forget how much that I do every year until this video, and I get to see everything I've accomplished, and I'm so proud of myself, and I'm proud of my team here who helps me with everything, and just, yeah, that's it, you guys. That is my 2019. Oh my God, we're going into 2020. We're in a whole new time to slay, to kill it. Anything you want to do, get up and do it. It's never too late. Believe in yourself, work really, really hard. I'm going to do that as well. I'm going to work really, really hard this year. It's going to be a huge year for me, and I'm really excited. So Happy New Year's, you guys, and thank you so much for just being on this journey with me for so long. I appreciate you guys. I love you so much, and 2020 is going to be our year.